Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Jenofeve Designs, and today we're going to do the drawing for the background design that you guys voted for the next release for the Remnants Lovely Layers, a printable mini album template. But before we do that, I wanted to say tomorrow, you can expect a video for tomorrow. Here's the album we're currently working on, and tomorrow's video, we've already done this and we've already done that. So tomorrow, look for this video. We're going to do both of these pages. This is the removable accordion pocket, and then there's an envelope there. So I just wanted to let you know that the video that should have been up today will be up tomorrow. So that being said, first let me tell you, my mom added up all you had to do to enter to win is leave a comment below the video from last month's giveaway drawing. So my mom tallied up all the votes, and the winning background design for June 2018 is the, oh, no, not that one. So the winning background design for June 2018 is the Harley script. So the Remnants Lovely Layers is now available in the Harley script, and when you purchase the listing, it also comes with, as a gift with purchase or a free bonus with me, the plain set of templates and the guide for this. So I've got the random YouTube picker thingy on my phone, and I have already put in the URL for the last video, for the last drawing video, where you had to leave a comment, and it's already picked up all of the comments. Okay, so I'm going to hit start, and let's see who wins. Well, maybe I will. Well, why won't it start? Okay, I had to redo it, sorry. Okay, so now it's all back and ready to go, I hope. So now I'm going to hit start, and let's see who wins. Marjorie Alexander, and you picked Harley script. Yay! Okay, so Marjorie, all you have to do is, there is down in the description box below, they're getting ready to do away with private messaging through YouTube. So I have decided, I made a new email address just for winners. Only winners, no other conversations through there at all. No business contacts, no questions from anybody, just winners only. So down below, you'll see an email that'll say winners only, and then there'll be an email address there. So I think it's, anyway, there'll be an email address down there. So just click on that or copy that and contact me through that email address so that I can give you the Remnants Lovely Layers Harley script winnings. So it's strictly for winners only, period, okay? So Marjorie Alexander, you have 1 week to contact me to claim your winnings. And let me write your name down. Okay, so let's see. You have until June 28th, 2018 to contact me to claim your set of templates. Okay, so now that being said, in the comment section below, in order to be entered into the next giveaway drawing, which will be July 24th, 2018, I'll have all this information in the description box below. You just need to leave a comment stating which one you would like to see next. So there's collage, polka dot, doily, text, and ode paper. Those are the ones that are left, so just leave your vote in the description box below. And I also have a coupon code somewhere. Here we go. So I also have a coupon code that is valid for, let's see, today the 21st, 22nd, and 23rd of June 2018, and it's good for 20% off everything in my shop with a minimum purchase of $10. So what I'll do is I'll have this code down below. If you hit the code, it'll take you to my shop and it'll automatically take that 20% off. You don't have to put in a code or anything. So that's the easiest way I can find to do that. So that's only valid from the time this video goes public on June 21st, and then June 22nd and June 23rd, 2018. So don't forget to check the description box below. And then, oh, I have some more things that I wanted to tell you guys about. I'm also releasing a new set of Remnants tags. So that will be, there'll be a bundle, and then they'll also be available individually. Boy, I can't talk today. So there will be a Harley script, there will be a collage, there will be old paper, and there'll be polka dots. And each one of them come with a set of plain templates. Again, you can get them as a bundle or you can get them individually. So now would be a good time to pick up some of these cool tags, especially if you like the Harley script. I kind of decided I better go ahead and release a new set of tags because the Remnants Lovely Layers Harley script is going to be out now. So I wanted to make sure that you had the matching tags to go with it. So those are also available, and there's 12 pages of all different kinds of tags and things. So these are the note paper ones, and then I thought I had another one printed out. I guess not. So these were the note paper ones, but they're also available in wood, doily, and stain script. So these will be, I will link these below, but the best thing to do would be to go through that coupon code. But these are under the build embellishment section. Okay, so I have one more thing to talk about. Okay, so I have an update on one of my It-Con projects. I'm so excited. I've got 4 classes in It-Con. It is going to be in September, and it is in Tennessee, Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. So I will leave a link to my classes below, and I'll also leave a link to It-Con as a whole, because there's other events. Like if you live close to Tennessee, there's other things that you could do that doesn't cost you anything. So there's a few things you can do that don't cost you anything, but also what's cool about this event is you don't have to pay a fee to get in. You don't have to pay a fee, like an overall fee. She calls it a la carte, so you buy whatever classes you want. So if you only want to come to one class, you just buy that one class. So I will leave a link to my classes specifically, and then I will leave a link to the It-Con event. So that's in September. And if you remember correctly, the last one we did in Texas is when I introduced the Remnants Lovely Layers. And as soon as we get done with this album, the 2 albums that I taught in Texas, those will be coming up here on YouTube. So I'm thinking it might be in a week or so. So I'm pretty excited about that. So it's the Lavender one and the Graphic 45 one. Those are both coming up one after the other, not at the same time, because they're already pre-filmed. And I just need to edit them still, but they will be right after this one. So this one I've got a new template I'm working on, but I'm not done with that yet. I can't show you that. It's my top secret classes, but I can show you the mini album class. I have decided what paper line I'm using, and I've got the cover made, and it's going to have its own set of templates as well. So I don't have the inside done, but I wanted to share with you the cover, and then I wanted to share with you the supplies I was going to be using in case that if you're not going to It-Con and you want to make this album along with me when it comes out onto YouTube, then you will have the supplies ready to go, because you may not be able to get them by time, well, I'm pretty sure you won't be able to get them by time It-Con is over. So if you want to make this album along with me after It-Con and you're not coming to It-Con, you may want to snag the items that I tell you about. So first I'm just going to show you the cover. So this is the mini album class. Here is the cover. Isn't it pretty? So the paper collection that I'm going to be using, let me grab it, is Santa Baby by Prima and Frank Garcia. It just came out like a week or so ago, I think. But I literally just got my hands on it yesterday, and I whipped this up because I wanted you guys to be able to get your hands on it if you want it. So in a minute, I'll show you the exact items that we are going to be using when we make this album. But and I also have a link in the description in the description box below. So just hit show more and all kinds of information will be down there. But I have a link down there for this collection as well, several different places. So I wanted to show you the cover. I wanted to show you the front and back. I might have to scoot in. Right now I've got a blending tool holding it open. But right there's the cover. Isn't it so pretty? So we have parts that come out, like there'll be some build embellishments and things. I haven't decided exactly which ones yet. There'll be some new ones and maybe some old ones. This comes out here. There's nothing on that tag yet, but there could be by the time the class comes. And we're going to have a clasp, a rusted clasp, and there's a rusted clip and keys and all kinds of fun stuff. And then when it opens up, there's the spine. Isn't that cute? And then there's the back. So these also are removable. So there's like a little tuck pocket there. And there's a little letter and some different little things. But I can't show you the inside because I haven't done anything on the inside. But this is going to be so much fun. We're going to be doing some gessoing, and let me show you. We're going to take this piece here, this piece of corrugated cardboard, and we're going to turn it, well here, let me sit it there, and we're going to turn it into that. So it's going to be so much fun. This class is a two-parter, so there's 2 hours in the morning and 2 hours in the afternoon. So isn't that pretty? So there'll be some more information to follow on this, and I'm hoping I can send some pictures to May May really soon so she can put them on the website. But this class is the, I don't know if they've changed the title of it yet, but it's the Vintage Shabby Chic Mini Album class. But I'm going to change it to the Shabby Christmas Mini Album class. So let me show you the products that I'm going to be using when making this album. The products that you're going to have to try to get your hands on now and not wait. Obviously is this paper collection. And you can see all of these beautiful patterns. Where's my favorite? Well, you know I'm gonna love the collage page. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. And there's cut apart sheets. There's shiny sheets. Ooh, look at the back of that one. Look at that collage. It's just so vintage and soft and shabby looking. I just love it. So there's several cut apart sheets in here. I like the cups back here too. Oh, and this page here, doesn't it look like a Christmas sweater? It's pretty. So yeah, I really like the look and the softness of this paper. So we're going to be using the 12 by 12 paper. And we're also going to be using the 4 by 6 journaling cards. There's some really cute, and they're double-sided, so the back side has a pattern as well. So super cute. And there's a bunch of different designs. Kind of looks like they're all going the same way. We're going to be using these in the album. There's the Christmas sweater one. They're just super cute. I just love them. The most wonderful time of the year. It is, isn't it? Holly jolly. So we're going to be using those. And then there's 2 packs of flowers that we're going to be using. Let's see. Item number 597283 and 597306. So there's 2 sets of flowers. So pretty. They're not too big because I actually ordered most of the collection myself, and I did get bigger flowers, but they are just, the bigger flower, would take up this whole part right here. It was just too big for this sweet little album. And then we're going to be using, of course, the ephemera pack. So you get clear ephemera, and then you get the die cut ephemera. So we're going to be using that. And then Say It in Crystals, and these stickers, I think they're called glitter snowflakes or something. It says snowflakes. We're going to be using both of those. And then last but not least is the pretty washi tape. So there it is in the thingy. And last time I just wrapped it around something so that you could have plenty of washi tape. So I wanted to show you what they look like on a piece of white cardstock. So these are super cute. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but like, let me pull it up. So it's shaped washi tape, which is really cool. You can do a lot of things with that. And then there's the sweater that's got some foil on it. The sweater. I need to quit saying that. They're little hearts. And then there's the little, what are those called? Macaroons? Is that what they're called? Cookies? I don't think I've ever ate one in my life. But there's a teeny little strip of that, and then the pink stripe, which is adorable. So that's the washi tape. So that's what we're going to be using in this album that we're going to be making at It Con in September. I will put links below to the products and to the classes. And don't forget to leave a comment to get into the next background drawing. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and hit this button right here, and then hit the little bell notification next to the subscribe button so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And then here is a link to my shop. But if you're wanting to get the 20% off coupon code, if you catch this video in time, then go to the description box, the show more part, and find the code there and hit it, and it'll automatically take it off what you're at checkout. And there could be some other videos here on the screen that you might enjoy watching. And I will see you guys next time.